How can I track my Royal Mail parcel?
In this video, we'll show you how to track your Royal Mail parcel step by step. Follow these instructions to ensure you always know where your package is.
What do you need to track your Royal Mail parcel?
To track your Royal Mail parcel, you'll need the tracking number. This is usually provided to you by the sender or can be found on your receipt if you are the one sending the parcel. The tracking number is typically a combination of letters and numbers, such as AA 123,456,789 gigabytes.
Where can you track your Royal Mail parcel?
You can track your parcel using the Royal Mail's official website. This is the most reliable and up-to-date source of information about your parcel's whereabouts.
How to track your Royal Mail parcel?
Follow these simple steps to track your parcel. 1. Visit the Royal Mail's official website. 2. Look for the Track Your Item section on the homepage. 3. Enter your tracking number in the text field provided. 4. Click the Track Your Item button to view the tracking information. 5. The tracking information will show the current status and location of your parcel, along with the estimated delivery date.
What if I can't find my tracking number?
If you can't find your tracking number, you may want to check the receipt if you sent the parcel yourself. Contact the sender if you are the recipient. Reach out to Royal Mail customer service for assistance. Remember, not all Royal Mail services come with tracking, so it is possible that your parcel may not have a tracking number. Tracking your Royal Mail parcel is a straightforward process once you have your tracking number. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily keep an eye on your parcel's journey and ensure a smooth delivery.